Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang, and in front of me is a GoBe2 tracker, a wearable tracker, and it is not the usual tracker because it has something else that other tracker do not have. It actually can track your calories intake or your calories when you take in food or drinks automatically, so you do not need to use apps or to key in the calories yourself. This device actually can help you to determine the bloodstream, your stress level, and determine your calories intake or calories output. This is the packaging. It's quite a nice packaging. What I mentioned just now, maybe you can take a look. Calories intake, emotional states, water balance, energy balance, burnt calories, step and distance, sleep quality, heart rate, and stress level. And yeah, it's supposed to be a disruptive technology, which I like. So this GoBe2 is, as you can see, is a 2, means that there's a GoBe1 or the original GoBe. Based on the review that I seen online, GoBe1 is not something that you wanted to promote because it seems like it's not working according to their plan description. So let's open up this GoBe2 and take a look what's inside. Let's put the device aside first and see what's in the box. So these are the instructions. Okay. And I believe this is the base for charging. And I think I saw a charging cable. So this is a charging cable. So this is the device itself. It is huge. If you're talking about a tracker, this is a huge tracker. So let me open up this. So as you can see, I guess the more important is the back, because that's where all the sensors are. So it's help you to track everything based on the sensor. I wonder if I can fit my wrist properly because I have a very slim wrist. So this is it. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much.